A recent study found that the average small business owner spends 10 hours every week on tasks that a computer could handle automatically, answering the same customer questions, writing the same follow-up emails, copying the same numbers from one spreadsheet to another. 10 hours every single week. That's 500 hours a year, over 20 full working days on busy work. Today, I'm going to walk you through the exact system that eliminates all of it. 4 buckets, 4 tools, and a step-by-step workflow you can start today. Let's get your time back. Before you automate anything, you need to know exactly where the time is going. For just 3 days, not a week, just 3 days, keep a simple note on your phone. Every time you do a repetitive task, write it down and note how long it took. By day 3, you'll see the same things showing up again and again. Those are your targets. In my experience, the culprits are almost always the same: email and messages, content posting, admin data entry, and answering customer questions. Those 4 buckets are roughly 80% of the recoverable time in any small business. Bucket 1. Email and messages, usually the biggest time drain. Here's the fix. You're not going to use AI to answer every email. You're going to build a library of 10 prompt templates for the messages you send constantly. Quote requests, booking confirmations, payment follow-ups. Each one becomes a 1-sentence prompt you paste into ChatGPT, and it writes a professional, personal-sounding response in under 15 seconds. Take it further. Zapier can send templated responses the moment a contact form is submitted. Time recovered here, 3 to 4 hours a week, minimum. Bucket 2. Content. The mistake most owners make is creating content in tiny daily bursts. That's the least efficient way to do it. The fix is batching, and AI makes it almost effortless. Here's the workflow. 1 sitting. Sunday morning works well. ChatGPT generates 20 to 30 captions from a single brief. Canva turns those into branded graphics using your templates. Buffer schedules all of them automatically across every platform for the entire month. You touch your content once. It runs for 30 days. Time recovered, 3 to 5 hours per week. Bucket 3. Admin and data entry. Moving information between apps, updating records, chasing invoices. Every one of these is what Zapier was built for. Build 3 automations this week, and you'll immediately get back 2 to 3 hours. Automation 1. A new contact form adds the lead to your CRM. Automation 2. A new booking sends a confirmation and blocks your calendar. Automation 3. An unpaid invoice triggers a polite follow-up. None of these require coding. And for bookkeeping, QuickBooks AI or FreshBooks categorize your expenses and flag anything unusual. Tax season goes from a nightmare to a one-click report. Here's the plan, so you don't try to do everything at once. This week, do the 3-day audit and set up the email drafting workflow. Just ChatGPT and 3 saved prompts. Next week, batch your content. Block 2 hours on Sunday, run the full chain, schedule the month. Week 3, build 2 or 3 Zapier automations for your biggest admin headaches. By the end of week 3, you've reclaimed your 10 hours, and the system runs without you. The tools, the workflow, the game plan, everything you need to start is in the description. Every day on this channel, I break down exactly how small businesses are using AI to get their time back. If you want that, subscribe and hit the bell. Tomorrow, I'm settling the biggest debate in AI right now: ChatGPT versus Claude versus Gemini. which one is actually worth paying for. See you tomorrow.